Hello, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss a very fantastic thing that name is AIRScanner. Okay, so what we can do by this, I am going to tell you about this. If you want to install this app, so you can install by the description. I have sent the link in the description as well. So guys, this app name is AIRScanner. You are seeing on the screen. So let me open this. I have already installed this. So guys, you can see by here when you will click on PDF. So if you have any type of PDF, it can read easily. Okay, if you have any PDF file, so this app can read easily. I haven't right now. And if you have any picture, so you can select any picture as well, and you can select by here. You can do the filter as well, and if you want to do the rectangle, you can do the rotate as well. Okay, and if you want to reset, so you can reset this. When you will click here play button, so it will come here. And if you want to share, so you can share by here as well. If you want to save as a PDF, so it can save as a PDF as well. Okay guys, you can see here if you want to save by the image, and if you want to save in the PDF way, high, medium, low, so you can save this document in the PDF as well. Okay, this is a picture, simple picture, so I can use this. So this is very amazing to use guys. So guys, it's being file creation in the progress, so it will convert in the PDF as well. So this picture documents will come to the PDF easily. So guys, as I have told you that by this way you can create the PDF and as well as the image in a low, medium and high and ultra size. Okay, so you can do by this. This is very amazing. If you want to listen the any image, any PDF, so you can listen by here as well. Just you have to click on play button, then you have to see here the icon is coming microphone. You have to click on microphone icon, then you can listen this easily. So this app is very amazing. You can try this. So this is very amazing app, so you must try this. And still you do not like and subscribe my channel, so first go and like and subscribe and press the bell icon for getting any new update. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.